Hey guys, this is Ben with Exceptional Glass, 888-83 Glass. Today we're in Morristown, New Jersey, just completing a Neoangle steam seal unit with an operable transom above. Everything is in polished nickel hardware, and we've used 3/8 low iron, half-inch and 3/8 low iron tempered glass with the invisible shield coating. So this one's hinged right, operable transom above, as you see. Very pretty thing. So you can steam this shower up if you like to get a nice semi-sauna feel, or you could just leave it open and get some ventilation in there so it doesn't steam up. And then of course you have your typical open out door. We didn't make this a double locking door because the floor plan itself wouldn't be too comfortable with the door opening inwards while you're inside. So instead, she'll just open outwards. Okay. So accuracy is key in these types of design. Even a 16th can throw you off. So we laser measure these types of, all of our enclosures are laser measured to take into accommodation even a slight 1/16 space. All right. All this hardware is from C.R. Lawrence. And if you guys need one of these, please feel free to give us a call, 888-83 Glass, or visit our website, njglassdoors.com.